Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in to the Pizza Mukbang, brought to you by Lili and Josh. Today we're going to be doing your pie versus Poppa John's. From yours truly, Lili and Josh, the food champs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
You said you never ate your pie.
No, I asked you if you ever ate your pie.
Nope.
Hey, I'm Josh Terrio, and today I'm with Liliana.
Cereal.
The Terrios, and today we're gonna be trying out what?
Your pie.
For the what time?
First time.
The what time?
First time.
What time is it? Your pie time. Yeah.
Look at that clubhouse is playing. Look.
No problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
All right, now we're gonna try out where?
Poppa John.
Where?
Poppa John.
To see if what?
If they taste good or not.
All right, let's go play some games.
Insert a coin.
What are we about to do, Lily?
Roller coaster ride.
Say what?
Roller coaster ride.
Let's get ready to go. All right, let's wait. It's about to start. Whoa!
You heard that?
Good at what, Lily?
Why can't I grab anything? Oh, I put my hand in. Can we play a game?
Woo! Not this one.
That was scary.
That was fun, huh? Get out!
Oh, there's
Hey, perfect. Good job, man. Get up! Oh, good.
There's something
Get up there! Woo! Shoot him in the target.
Okay, we just got back from the pizza places and let's get ready to try these bad boys.
All right, we just made it back. We went to Your Pie, and we also went to, where else we go?
Poppa John.
We went to Poppa John's. All right, now what are we gonna do?
We're gonna try out these bad boys and see which one tastes them best.
All right, before we take a bite, we're gonna show y'all what we got.
I got pepperoni and olive pizza.
Now where did you get this one from?
I got this one from Your Pie.
All right. And we got the nat. It got all kind of stuff on it, like the spinach, feta cheese, chicken, black olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. All right, we're gonna check out this pizza.
Poppa John.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's so stuffed crust. Alright.
And what kind of pizza is that?
Poppa John.
What kind though?
Pepperoni.
What kind though?
Pepperoni.
What's inside of it? We got stuffed crust pepperoni. Ooh, let's take a bite.
I'm gonna try Your Pie pizza.
What do you think?
It's good.
It is good? How many stars do you give it? 1 through 5.
I'll give it 5.
You give that a 5-star? Yum, you made that look delicious.
Okay, this is Poppa John's pizza. And if you notice, they have a stuffed crust.
Ding, ding, ding.
And we're gonna be trying this bad boy out.
Let's go. Flip it, pull the whole pizza. Now pull it out, pull the whole pizza out. Boom. There you go. What you think about that? A 10? A 10 out of 10-star pizza? Oh, what? What about the back of it? You gonna bite into the stuffed crust?
There's cheese in it.
You gotta get to the cheese. Get to the cheese, Lily. Get to the cheese.
All the numbers out of this whole world.
That's what you get, all the numbers?
Every number.
All right, let me try it out.
A billion.
A billion?
Yeah.
All right, Lily, you gave that pizza 1 billion stars?
Yep.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Let me give this one a try. First, I want to try this one. The gnat. You wanna try? You wanna give it a try?
No.
You wanna try? You sure you don't do? Delicious.
What do you give?
No.
What do you give it? No.
I'll give this one a solid.
What's it got?
Solid means like hard, like a solid, firm, definite 8 out of 10.
I'll give this one out of a billion, 1 billion.
1 million out of 1 billion? I gotta see what all this Bob humbug is about. Now, like I told you, Poppa John is my favorite pizza on earth. Let me give it a try.
You're gonna give the 1 star. Oh, that has cheese.
You want me to get the cheese? Look at that cheese. Show them that cheese in that pizza. Point that pizza. Show them that cheese.
So,
See, this is a cheesy, cheesy pizza.
cheese pizza. How much stars?
Out of 1 billion, I think I'll give this one, by the cheesiness of it, the texture of it, how it's drooping over, like, eat me, eat me. I give it a 1 million stars too. 1 million and 1.
1 million and 1,000.
1 million and 1,000? That's a lot of stars. So, Liliana, out of today's adventure, what's the best game we played, and what is the best pizza, according to you? Tell the people.
I think the best pizza is Poppa John, and the best game was the virtual. What was it called?
Virtual reality VR roller coaster?
Yes.
That was fun. What's the best part of that?
When we had the roller coaster and the fell, and when I saw the galaxy.
think my favorite part was, remember when we went over the waterfall? Boom! We landed in the water. And then we were spinning around like, and then we went down into the hole. And then we came up, where were we? We were in a toilet bowl.
Ah!
You remember?
And somebody punched us with a plunger.
You sure did. And it was like the end. Was that the end?
Yeah.
Speaking of the end, tell them people we're about to go after we show them the soap.
They're gonna be great.
Grab it, babe.
So this is what I call the soap.
What you got? Let me pop the top. Because once you pop, the fun don't stop.
Test it first.
What we got? Let them know what you got.
This is so sweet. I could eat this for 10 years if it had been alive.
10 years? How long you been alive? 6, alright. Now look, this one right here is chocolate
With peanut butter.
with peanut butter.
And try mine.
And caramel. Give this one a try. Open wide. You agree? You approve?
I'm that,
And 10?
and this one, and
100. All right. So all this is Liliana approved and Joshua approved. Liliana and Joshua Terrio approved. At the end of the day, your pie is good, but Poppa John's is the best, right?
yeah.
Later on, we're gonna give
Poppa John's all the stars.
Poppa John has all the stars.
That's what I'm gonna do to Poppa John's
What?
at this pizza.
I'm weak. And with that being said, on that note, we're gonna enjoy this pizza,
And
enjoy
watch,
this dessert.
and watch this.
Mwah. Later.
Bye, YouTubers.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Lili and Josh's Pizza Mukbang, where Poppa John's reign supreme. Like, comment below, and most importantly, subscribe.